Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about how to solve exponential functions. In order to solve exponential functions, you must first isolate the base and the power, then find a common base for the two sides. For example, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and 2 to the negative second is 1/4. When the bases are equal, the exponents are also going to be equal, so drop the base and continue solving. Solve for x. When you're finished, you can always check these by plugging your answer into the original and verifying both sides are equal. Let's take a look at an example together. Solving for x here, you may want to begin by getting the base and the exponent alone. When doing this, we must start working farthest away from the x, in this case subtracting 4 from both sides. When I subtract 4 from both sides, I'm left with negative 2 times 3 raised to the x minus 2 equals negative 54. At this point, some may be tempted to multiply negative 2 times 3, but don't do it. The 3 is affected by the exponent, so in order to get rid of the negative 2, you must divide both sides by it. When I divide both sides by the negative 2, I am left with 3 to the x minus 2 equals positive 27. Next, I need to write it so that I have a common base. I've now isolated the base and the exponent, but I need to get a common base. I know that 3 is in its lowest base possible, but 27 can be rewritten with a base of 3. At this point, recognizing that our common bases exist, therefore our exponents must be equal. Once I've made this connection, I can move off to the side and finish solving by setting the exponents equal to each other. When I do this, I would add 2 to both sides, and that leaves me with an answer of x equaling 5. Again, if I want to verify this, I can check it by plugging 5 in for x and doing my simplifying. So let's just go ahead over here on the side and check my problem. 4 minus 2 times 3 raised to the 5 minus 3. I want to show that that's negative 50. 4 minus 2 times 3 to the power of, this is a 2, raised to the power of 3. That is 4 minus 2 times 27, 4 minus 54, negative 50. Notice that it does check out. Again, I apologize, this was a 2 up here, so 5 minus 2 is 3. I hope this example and this process is helping you to progress in solving more complex problems of exponentials.